Stay true to yourself like water that is shaped like the vessel it is in. That is the motto of my life today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pambayun Lestari and usually called Ayun or Pambayun. I go to SMA Unggulan CT Arsa Foundation Sukoharjo. It is a boarding school founded by Khairul Tanjung and Anita Ratnasari Tanjung. This high school provides 100% scholarship for students who come from poor family but have academic and non-academic potential. To be accepted into the CT Arsa school also needed to pass various tests such administration, academic, health, and home visit. After going through many tests, I managed to get into 110 students who were accepted at CT Arsa Foundation Sukoharjo Unggulan High School. I managed to beat 1,500 outstanding students in Central Java. I interested this high school because my family was poor. My father, who used to work as private employee, was only able to provide for my family's daily life. I also lived in a house left behind by my grandmother and grandfather. In addition, with this modest income, my father had to support my mother and me, my two younger siblings, as well as my father's young brother and my mother's younger sister. But because my father is not suffering from a serious illness, my father reluctantly had to apply for early retirement. My mother is just an ordinary housewife. At the moment, my family only relies on the managed salvage pay that my father's company gave me. Therefore, I was very happy when I was accepted into this CT Arsa Foundation Sukoharjo. When this boarding school, I am asked to be a person who is disciplined in the time, has order in the carrying out tasks, responsible, fair, honesty, can embrace many friends, is not selfish to fellow friends, and I education to be dexterous and phrases in doing any task. My abilities are more prominent in the non-academic field. When I was in elementary school, I participated in a dance studio for more than 5 years and participated in dance competition 3 times and won 3 runner-up. When I was in junior high school, I did not participate in any competition, but I participated in the school volleyball club training and the scout organization of the adventure calling TP. I also joined the Garuda Scout when I was in high school. I participated in scientific video competition and become the 5th finalist. I had added training to make scientific papers, but I did not participate in the competition. In the high school, I also began to actively participated in dance training again. In addition to school activities, I have also participated in training using tools in the nursing field for approximately 1 year. This was because I had to take care for my sick grandmother and was required to be able to use this tool to make it easier to afford the family. The equipment was provided by the university where my sister was a student. Uh, I have many options for future studies. I have also thought about whether it matches my passion or not. In addition, I have also consulted with many people, including my parents. Nah, is I want to be nursing. In this health field, I prefer nursing. I have explained at the beginning that I have 1 year of experience in the use of basic medical equipment. This also makes me interested and feel capable of becoming a nurse. In additional, I also have a strong determination to help many people, especially in the health sector. In addition to the major, I have also determined in the campus. The campus I just have also controlled several conditionals, but from myself, my family, and teachers at my high school. Uh, for my campus in the university, I choose Poltekkes. Poltekkes is attending the Polytechnic has been my wish for a long time. I thought that the Polytechnic was the right campus. Apart from my own desire to also reference recommendation from many parties such as teachers and other friends. At the Polytechnic, I will be majoring in nursing. So far, this is only university I can think and consider for connectivity it may change. Apart from the university, I have also chosen several scholarships that could help with the costs at university. For the scholarship, I choose Gagin Scholarship. This scholarship is for students at Polytechnics only. This scholarship is given to poor but high achieving families. Students who get this scholarship also get a 75% reduction in this fees, and this is very helpful for me who is classified as poor. Nah, the Gagin Scholarship requirements were as follow. The first, payslip or income certificate of parent or guardians. Certificate 2. A certificate of incapacity from RT/RW and no to the urban village. Third, photocopy of family card, photocopy of parents' ID card, and photocopy of electronics and water occupant of the last 3 months. If you don't not water attack certificate from the local airway. For those who use electronic is provided by making statement letter regain the average cost of electronic usage for the last 3 months cited by parents, guardians on a 600 stamp at photoresidence house as evidenced by a certificate from the RT that the house is really a house owner or rented of the parents or guardians of proprietary student. Photo of the house include are photos of the house from view, living room, kitchen, and bedroom. Actually, there are still many scholarships at Poltekkes that can be obtained, but for scholarships that are possible to receive is this Gakin scholarship, because this scholarship is intended from underprivileged but outstanding families. I deserve to be accepted for the scholarship because I have the ability to develop better on the Poltekkes campus with this scholarship. I can also retain my skill in the nursing field that I used to work on. With this scholarship, I will be a great help for me and my family. Once have been accepted and graduated from the Polytechnic University, I can dedicate myself to becoming a nurse as I have dreamed of. I can also help my neighborhood to get proper medical assistance. In the future, many medical personnel are needed, and I will use this to become a useful and reliable person for many people. This is my little story for my future. Hopeful it help to build everyone's strength and confidence. All desires and dreams can be achieved easily if we believe and try that we are capable of it all. And many what yeah I many choose for university and scholarship, but I just is I very want to the scholarship and the university is that Gakin scholarship and Poltekkes University, because if in the what in the university is that I think is my mother said no for the university because it's so really not what my home from my home. So I said if in the Poltekkes like that, my mother said it's no problem because well because if in the Poltekkes Kemenkes Semarang, if in the Semarang any the campus in the Purwokerto city, so it's really not long not from home, yeah, it's that like that. So I just Poltekkes, but if not Poltekkes, what I choose, I want to go out from this what that this country, yeah. I want to go to Japan, but is that choose the two choose is that meaning pilihan kedua. But if the one the first choose is my first choice is Poltekkes, but the second choice I want to go to Japan. From the scholarship, I choose the scholarship is Asahi Shimbun. Not not but it's Jarum Police Scholarship. What is that? I forget. I don't know what. Yeah, is that? No. Jarum Police Scholarship. It's not that, but I choose Asahi Shimbun. Is that like loper koran from Japan? But I look the prospect from the job. I think it's good, so I second choice is that. Okay, is that a little story again from my story? Thank you for your attention and see you. Goodbye.